It's moving day.
How do you reckon doors?
Guys, so sorry I'm talking quietly because we're staying at Josh's cousin's right now, and Josh's cousin's boyfriend, husband, that's a mouthful. He works nights and he's asleep still, so I'm trying to be quiet, but it's moving day today and I'm so excited. So me and Josh just woken up and just gonna quickly shower and stuff, and then need to like repack all of the stuff that I've like unpacked from staying here, and then we're gonna go to our new apartment. I'm so excited. So yeah, bring you guys along for the day. I think most of the day will just be kind of like unpacking and sorting some stuff out. Oops. Show you some of the apartment, so hope you enjoy the vlog.
Subscribe if you like. A really good YouTuber.
Shut up. So I'm all ready now. I've got dressed. I'll show you what I'm wearing in a minute. Josh has just finished packing his sides. I just need to put like my laptop and stuff in my rucksack, and then I'm done. I don't think I've packed as well as I did when we first came here because
Nothing fits.
no.
Yeah, I've had a similar problem.
But yeah, we're probably gonna leave in the next, what, 15 minutes?
Hopefully.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go. I'm very hungry, but we don't really have any food, so. I also bought some new work clothes because I got a job. It's only a 0-hour contract job, it's not full time, but they said they had a lot of shifts in March, so hopefully they do actually have a lot of shifts. And I had to buy some work clothes, and now like they don't fit anywhere, so I was just gonna put them in this Woolworths bag, which is what we were carrying around yesterday, but it's just a load of rubbish in there, so maybe I should try and put them in my rucksack. We're gonna go in a minute and
I'll show you when we get to our new apartment.
we're all packed. Here's everything. You're going to go?
Yes.
Hello everyone. We've made it to our local train station now. We were on the train for like an hour, but that was okay. It went pretty fast in my opinion, and we've just been eating some food. I've been having chips and coleslaw, vegetarian one. Yeah, I think our apartment's quite near here, so we're going to go and see it. I'm excited. You excited?
Excited.
We're here. Gonna open the door to see it.
How do you reckon doors?
Is it the other way? Well done. Oh, it looks really nice though. Look at the view.
Open a window.
Oh, this is our room. Should I open the blinds? Nice wardrobes.
Oh, we've got some hangers.
Guys, this is gonna take me a while. Look at it. I'm gonna open this window too. I'm really hot.
It's alright, break the room, so.
Look at the view. Happy?
I'm very happy.
Me too. We made it. Is that for aircon?
Yeah, what's going on?
I don't know what that just did. I don't know what these lights do.
Probably turn things on.
Hello. Josh, it's a really nice shower.
Oh.
Shower head's nice. We have all this space.
I like the sink.
There's a hairdryer. Oh, and they've got shampoo and conditioner for us.
I reckon they were just left here by the last people.
Probably. Is there anything in the fridge?
No.
I like the bar stools.
Storage. We've got a washing machine.
Yay.
Dryer. We've got an iron. We've got some more bed sheets.
Nice. Oh, some plants. Let's put them out.
We've got some plants. This is locked, so we'll never get in there.
Oh, I really want to know what's in there.
Yeah,
Cutlery. Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Drawers.
Lots of space.
It's a nice dishwasher.
The fridge. It's a bit random to put a fridge in a cupboard, really. Oh, we have some water. Oh my god, I really like this glass.
We've got some bags.
That is a very nice water glass. Lovely tap.
Toaster.
Microwave.
Plates.
Pans.
Rice.
A pink mug. Oh, I'm so happy. Anything up here?
Green tea.
No.
No.
Ooh, there's loads of stuff. Olive oil, paprika.
Oil. Salt, pepper.
Lemon and garlic herb. That's what I have on my Nando's. Anything in the freezer?
In the freezer.
It's the other way. No.
Oh, this is nice.
I'm very happy.
Yeah, we've even got the TV.
Yeah. And it's sunny. Here's the outside.
That is groovy.
The view over there is really nice.
Not really nice. It's alright.
It's quite nice. And over there's the city.
Sofa's comfy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. We did good. This apartment also has a gym. I want to go see the gym.
Let's go see all that.
And a swimming pool. The swimming pool's meant to be so nice. It looks really good. And then it also has like a like functions room with like a cinema and a hot tub and a bar. But I think you might have to. Huh? We've got Hoover. Lovely. But I think you might have to like pre-book that.
I'm not overly bothered about that.
No, but it just happened. I kind of wanted to do a whole apartment tour in a separate video, so I'll probably still do that. I know you saw some of it now, but I want to go into more detail later. We've got many planks.
Really happy.
Excited. We're going to go and see the gym and the swimming pool area because we want to go see it. I want to see if we can just see the like function room. I just want to see it. I want to know what it looks like. I don't know where the Wi-Fi is. Oh wait, what's this? Oh wait, it's up there, isn't it? Anyway, just trying to find the internet.
We definitely have Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
100%.
95% right now. You can check.
Oh, it's that thing.
That thing that I said that's the internet. I told you it was the internet. I was right. We're going to see the gym and the pool now. Let's go. We found the pool. Look, you could be in the pool and I could just sit here and be like, hey. We found the gym. I won't film loads of people in there, but the main... Is this a mirror? Yeah, the main gym's like through that door. But this is just another section. It's a good gym, it's got a lot of equipment. Okay, I'm going to now start unpacking all of my clothes and stuff. That's basically all I've got to unpack. But the only thing is, like, can you see? This is the wardrobe and all it is like one long rail. Like it doesn't have any like cupboard storage, so I don't know if I should just like fold some things on the floor for now. Or like I could put it up there, but I'm not going to be able to reach that every day and it's just going to get a bit annoying, so I think I might just fold stuff on the floor for now. Just like jumpers and jeans and stuff, and then I'll hang up some other things. We do have some hangers in there, which is good. So I'm going to do that now. Yeah, and then I think we're going to get a Nando's later. Yeah, it's not the same as an English Nando's, but you know, it's still Nando's. We still haven't found the internet. I've tried to call our like Airbnb man, but his number's like not going through. I don't know why, so I'm just waiting for him to reply because I can't really do much else. Because we don't know the password, so yeah, we're not on the internet yet. But hopefully he replies soon. So anyway, I'm going to start unpacking all of my stuff. Hello, I think you can see me. I just wanted to show you the work clothes I got. You might be interested. So like, we got told we just have to wear like smart black uniform kind of thing. So I just got this. This is actually from the kids section just because it was really cheap, but it was $3, age 12, black t-shirt, and I liked getting it from the kids section because it's fitted and my trousers are kind of baggy, so that looks good. I like really struggled to find trousers because I didn't want to spend a load of money on just some work trousers. So I got these ones, they were from Target. They were $19, but they didn't have my size. They only had a size 4, which I couldn't do up, or a size 10, and I'm normally like a size 6. So these are actually like quite big on me, but I just wear them with a belt, and then they kind of look like cinched in and like this bit of baggy, which actually looks quite nice. So yeah, they're just these like slim trousers. So that's what I'm gonna wear to work. Okay, I've kind of sorted out most of my clothes, but as I said earlier, there's nowhere to like, we have no drawers or anything, so things like my underwear and bikinis. We're gonna go on a food shop tomorrow and I'm gonna try and find maybe like just a cheap basket or a cheap like little thing just to keep my underwear in, because like currently they're all like on the floor, like underwear and bikinis. And then I've just got my hairdryer. I've folded some like skirts, tops, jumpers, trousers. Things that crease easily are just hung up there. And I'm pretty much finished. Hello guys, it's a bit later now. Me and Josh have just ordered some food. We've ordered an Indian because we couldn't actually order in Nando's to our apartment. It's like too far away, I think, or like they just don't do delivery in Brisbane maybe, I'm not sure. We've ordered an Indian instead. Josh hasn't had a good Indian since we've been in Australia, so we're hoping this one's good. He gets a chicken tikka masala and he's hoping that the sauce is like red and he doesn't want vegetables in it. And then I've just got a vegetable korma. I'm just unpacking my smaller suitcase. It's only got like a few little random bits in, like some leads and hats, and then some more bikinis and stuff like that. So I'm just sorting that out, and then I think I'm completely unpacked. So yeah, I'm just going to do that now and then wait for the Indian to come. It should come in around like 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna unpack the rest of my stuff. Okay, I've just unpacked all of that suitcase and I found this little sign my mum gave to me. Yeah, my mum gave this to me before we went to Australia, and I'm going to hang it somewhere because it will look cute. Where should I hang this, Josh? Yes, that's cute. Finished. Just been sitting on our bed watching some YouTube videos and starting to edit this vlog, and I've realised that the way that mine and Josh's windows are facing is like the sunset side. It's a bit cloudy, but you can see like the sunset trying to like, wait, can you see the sun on my face? It's there. Yeah, so I'm really happy about that. It means that like when there's no clouds in the sky, we'd get a really nice sunset here. I'll show you it. Obviously it doesn't look very good right now because it's been like a bit cloudy today. There is a little peek through of the sun there. It just means that like on a day where there's no clouds, we'd have such a nice little sunset here. I literally love all these like big open windows. I'm so excited to like when I actually get a house and have like loads of open windows. Our Indian has arrived. Oh, it smells really nice. We've opened the windows and look at that lovely view of the pink sky. Check it out. We're just gonna eat our Indian now. I'm very excited. I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're probably just gonna eat our food and then maybe watch a film or something, and I want to edit this vlog a bit later. So yes, I hope you enjoyed our first moving vlog. I wanted to film like a proper room tour when we've unpacked everything, so look out for that and let me know if you want to see that. I want to film it anyway, just to remember the place. I hope you enjoyed. Do like this video if you liked it and if you're excited to see our new adventures in our new little home. And do subscribe if you want to see any new videos. See you next time with a new video. Bye.